Hey guys, Lunar Blackout here, and today we have something special. I got the Razer Gigantus in the mail today. I'm super excited to get this thing out. And as you can see here on the table, it's massive. It's huge. What I have there is the Razer Goliath medium. It's the speed, and the Gigantus just swallows it, and it swallows it. It's just beautiful. But the dimensions of the Razer Gigantus are 455 millimeters by 455 millimeters, or 45.5 centimeters by 45.5 centimeters. So
that's a huge
it's
bitch.
Big. I mean, let's just cross this. As you can see, I'm taking out the box here, and whenever I first got it, it was stuck. It was rolled. It didn't want to form, but it did come with the Razer logo, which was nice. A really nice touch. I'm glad Razer does all that. But we unrolled the Gigantus here, and it is, well, we're going to unroll it, but it is huge. And I just love this thing. I mean, it swallows my desk. I'm not going to lie, but it's a wonderful mouse pad. I was fighting with it a little bit to stay open. I figured I'd have to get my college books to keep it down, but that little old Goliath's medium, it was doing the job for a while, but I needed an upgrade. So here it is. Boom. You can see it's fighting me to stay in place, but it is a monster. So I decided to throw my my microphone on it. I threw some college books, and we got it flattened out. Now the cool thing about this mouse pad is that it has a 5mm thick. It's 5 millimeters thick, and it's made of high density foam and a rubber base, with the Razer hexagon pattern underneath on the rubber to keep it from moving. Now it is ultra large size because it is meant for low DPI gameplay. As you can see, my mouse fits well on it. I have a lot of room to work with, so for those extra large sweeps, it fits my mouse bungee on there perfectly, but I put the mouse bungee up to the top and just gave me some extra cord length. But it has a smooth glide on the surface, which is great for it, just using it in anything. But it's on the website, it says it's optimized for speed and control. I believe it. You do get some decent speed out of it, and it has some nice control. Here I'm comparing the fact that the Goliaths and the Gigantus have the same stitching. That's the Goliaths, and they have the same stitching and the same pattern on the back and the same weave. But the Goliaths has a better anti-fray stitching that only comes on the Elite and the Black Edition. It does not come on the Razer Edition, which I don't like. And I don't think Razer should charge as much for that edition if it doesn't come with that. And that's just my personal thoughts. But you can pick this thing up for $30 from the Razer's website on Razer Zone, or you can go to Amazon and get it for $26.99. And I'll post the links of where to get these in the description box below. But just look at that pattern. This mouse pad it's just something else. I'm telling you, I love it. I've been using it for a while. Got it weighed out now that I've actually gotten the chance to use it, but it is thick, as you can see. It's just got the Goliath has nothing on it. The Gigantus just takes the cake, and my god, is it one hell of a mouse pad. But I will show you guys it in action right here and what I like about it after using it a little bit. Also, it does have the Razer logo embedded onto it, so it pops up, so yeah.
3 days later.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's been a couple of days now, and well, the mouse pad is fairly flat now, and my god, do I have to say, this is the smoothest, most comfortable mouse pad I have ever used in my entire life. I mean, this thing is just, it's freaking wonderful. I mean, the Razer Gigantus just took everything that Goliath has and blew it out of the water. I can't put it in words just how much I love this mouse pad, and this thing is just, it's wonderful. It does well. I've been using it in Photoshop. It's got the low tracking settings, which I like because it really helps me get through that stuff that I need for Photoshop, and it really helps me pinpoint each little pixel that I have to have. And it's good for gaming. It's good for sweeping, especially in like Smite and shit. My god, this thing just blew it out of the water. But this fucking mouse pad is just beyond belief. I mean, this thing is top of the line for me. I absolutely love it, and it is beyond perfect to me. So I'm very happy with this product. Thank you so much, Razer, for making such a damn good mouse pad and continuing to make it. As you can see here, it is the Gigantus. I just do have it covered because I like to keep my Yeti on that side so it doesn't scratch up my table, but it is a big surface and it's squishy, it's good, it's firm. It's not like you go and put your hand down and it just feels like you're going into gel. Like, you don't feel like you're going into like a 600-pound woman head first with no fucking regrets. This is nice. This is like you found yourself a nice like 180-pound woman, 190-pound woman. You know, a little bit thick, a little bit nice, and it's just going well. And it's squishy, but it's not too squishy. It's firm, motherfucker, and it's good, and I love it. The technical specs about it is a stitched weave.